Hi guys, so today we have series free Dino egg surprise opening, and let's see which one we get today. And here is the code if somebody is looking for it, and let's open it. The last time we got a rare one. Yes. The last time the egg was green. Now the egg is black. It's kind of, can you see? It's kind of shimmery. Okay, let's see. Okay, I'm gonna put it like this so we don't see it immediately. Let's just take the slime and so here is what we can get. The last time I got this one that's translucent at night. Velocity, yes. Let's see which one we get now. And we get slime. That's like a base that you can put it on. Ta-da! So we got... What did we get? Wait. Okay, we got... Come on, where is it? I'm crazy. Oh. Okay, we got Crest. So we got him. Crest. And he is common. I really do like him, and in the water he changes color. Okay, so he changes color in the water. So he's a really cute little dinosaur. So now I have I think it's the fourth one that I have. Yes. So here he is, little Crest. He's really cute. He's a, you know, how do you call him? Duck face? No, not duck face. He's got a duck snout. He's a really cutie. And this is the base where you put in. And you should put the, you know, the slime. Well, it's like a sand that you put around him, which I'm not gonna open now, but it's very nice. So yeah, we got our little Crest. Ta-da! Hope you liked the video. It's short. Share, like, subscribe, help the channel. Talk to you later in another video. Bye 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 bye.